yes, here we are. Welcome back, Mr. Farooq Naseem, to yet another podcast of Delhi Taza Khabar. And यार कौन है गेस्ट आज का, जरा आप बताएंगे अपने?
मैं एक्चुअली ये सोच रहा था, मैं थोड़ी देर खामोश रहा। मैंने सोचा कि एक बार जरा देखें, अगर मैं नहीं रहता हूँ तो तू क्या करता है इस पॉडकास्ट के साथ।
यार honestly this podcast would be so much more faster. समझ रहा है ना? तो तू जो snail pace में बात करता है ना, that won't be there. So I think podcast will be shorter.
अच्छा सुन, क्या कहते हैं, पहली बात तो ये यार, आई शुड गेट पेड फॉर बीइंग ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट। 45 डिग्री जो है टेम्परेचर है। एसी मैं ऑन कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास माइक अच्छा नहीं है, तो मैं सिर्फ पंखा यूज कर रहा हूँ। पंखा किसी काम का नहीं है इस टेम्परेचर में।
वाह, हमारे पास हैदराबाद में तो देखिए आप, बादल छाए हुए हैं, हवाएं लगी हुई हैं, तो यहाँ पंखा है ना एसी है, मगर the temperature is quite cool, alhamdulillah, so it's good.
चलो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो
भाई by the way आपने हमारा नया कवर फोटो देखा पॉडबीन पे?
बहुत जबरदस्त था। क्या तूने एडिट किया है? 2 फोटोज को मिला दिया साथ में। वाह,
थैंक यू। और आपने ये भी नोटिस किया कि मैंने 2 फोटोज को 4 फोटोज कर दिए।
मुझे लग रहा था मेरा हमशक्ल कहाँ से आ गया यहाँ पे।
Exactly. So this is exclusively on Podbean, the cover photo. So if you guys want to check it out, you can just go there.
तो आप Podbean पे जाएं
and see how we look like. Podbean वाले पैसे दे रहे हैं ना अपने को ये बोलने के लिए।
पैसे से ये याद आया जिब्रान के बात ये थी, मैं जो बोल रहा था कि मुझे पैसे मिलने चाहिए
जी,
उसके लिए मैंने एक लिंक डाल दिया है शो नोट्स में, मैं डाल दूंगा।
ओके।
जब हमारा कोरोना वायरस की वजह से लॉकडाउन जो हुआ
जी, तो
आई वांटेड टू लर्न समथिंग। फिर मुझे याद आया मेरे पास स्किल शेयर जो है उनकी सर्विस है। मैं स्किल शेयर का एक एम्बेसडर हूँ। तो मेरे पास एक लिंक है जो कि अब मैं शो नोट्स में डाल दे रहा हूँ। जब आप वो लिंक क्लिक करेंगे, आप साइन अप करेंगे, आपको 2 महीने का प्रीमियम स्किल शेयर की मेंबरशिप मिल जाएगी। Which means for 2 months you can log on to Skillshare and watch all of the videos they have. उसमें अलग-अलग tutorials हैं. You can learn how to take good photographs from your phone, from your iPhone, Android phone, Samsung, जो भी है. You have writing lesson. Roxanne Gay तुम जानते होगे, author है, का writing tutorial है. अलग-अलग classes हैं. You can actually even learn basic maths. You can learn a lot of things. Point being, please लोग जो भी सुन रहे हैं यहाँ पे, वो जाएं, वो लिंक को यूज करें। थोड़े पैसे मिल जाएंगे यार। माइक कम से कम खरीद लूंगा ताकि मैं एसी ऑन कर सकूं, ठीक है ना?
अच्छा, एक सवाल था
तो बोल भाई।
तो कोई जाके अगर ये क्लिक करेगा अगर लिंक ये एंड आपको पैसे मिलेंगे, तो मेरे को आप शेयर करेंगे मेरे साथ, क्या आप रख लेंगे पूरे?
दो माइक खरीदने ना, एक तेरे लिए एक मेरे लिए।
हाँ, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
अच्छा,
फारूक नसीम, टुडे वी हैव
एक और चीज मैं ऐड कर दूं
जी।
हाँ, तुम बस जल्दी में रहो, आराम से, सुकून से। एक और चीज मैं ये ऐड कर दूं कि आप जब साइन अप कर लेंगे
जी,
2 महीने का आपको फ्री स्किल शेयर मिल गया। आप 55 दिन का टाइमर लगा लें अपने फोन में, या 57-58 डेज का लगा लीजिए। एंड बिफोर द 2 months एंड यू कैन जस्ट कैंसिल योर सब्सक्रिप्शन। यू वोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग। 2 महीने आप फ्री में सीखेंगे जो भी आपको सीखना है।
नहीं तो व्हाई आर यू सजेस्टिंग समथिंग लाइक दिस? ये हमारी कंट्री ना स्कैम सी कंट्री है।
स्कैम की बात नहीं है, दिस इज व्हाट दे आर ऑफरिंग। 2 महीने में उतनी इंटरेस्टिंग अगर रही चीज दैट यू आर ओके विथ पेइंग, देन
आई गॉट इट व्हाट यू डूइंग। 2 महीने से पहले कैंसिल इट एंड देन रीसब्सक्राइब, so we'll get double the money. वाह फारूक नसीम, you're a genius bro.
बस
you're a genius.
अच्छा सुन, क्या कहते हैं, आज का हमारा जो गेस्ट है वो विवेक है, मेरा दोस्त। 2-3 साल से मैं उसे जानता हूँ। बेसिकली बुकस्टाग्राम पे जो है उससे दोस्ती हुई मेरी. He has written a book जिसके बारे में हम उससे बात करेंगे. But mainly, I think what's most interesting about Vivek is कि वो 300 किताबें पढ़ता है एक साल में.
I can't believe it, man.
तो
that's quite insane. And I think Vivek is now on.
Vivek, how are you?
Good, Farooq. How are you?
Hi, Vivek.
Hi, Amir. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Tell me something first. You really read 300 books a year? Is that true?
Yeah, almost.
Wow. How do you do that?
Almost, more than. Minimum.
No. It's just because I don't do anything else, because I have no life. So that's why.
Really?
Yeah.
I wish I had a life where I could only read books.
I barely watch. Like, I watch two movies a month on Netflix.
Oh, wow. That's also
Vivek, I remember last year, January में मैंने और विवेक ने डिसाइड किया कि ब्लैक लेपर्ड रेड वुल्फ हम साथ में पढ़ेंगे. काफी मोटी किताब है जिब्रान, एंड काफी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. इट्स हाई फैंटेसी. एंड विवेक ने 4 दिन में खत्म कर लिया. और मैं
everybody is reading capacity, and the way they read a book is different, so you cannot say that.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, it's very kind of you to say that, Vivek, but we know
No, it's a fact. No, it's a fact for sure. And this is why everyone, I don't know why people on Instagram and Goodreads have such a competition. And it's not about Farooq or anyone else. It's just in general, I've noticed people who are not readers, chalo theek hai, padh rahe ho, which is great. But then why do you have to compete? With whom are you competing?
That's true.
You know, Vivek, what I've done this month is, because 3-4 महीने हो गए यार घर पे बंद, and जो तुमने देखा होगा Bookstagram पे मैं रोज पोस्ट करता हूँ. This month I've decided I'm not going to review anything. I'm not really going to post every single day, क्योंकि मैं जरा पक गया हूँ मालूम है.
मतलब होगा ही ना. How much will you post?
कब तक जो है मैं I'm okay with it, but then I'm like यार एक जरा ब्रेक लेना जरूरी हो गया, because my life cannot revolve around just Bookstagram. इसीलिए ये मेरा बचपन का दोस्त जिब्रान जो है, ये भी फारिग, मैं भी फारिग, हमने बोला चलो बातें करेंगे लोगों से.
That's a great way of doing things, no? कुछ अलग सा, मतलब you need that. You can't always.
And I'll tell you what, even when I invited you on, by the way, you're our first guest. तो मतलब this is
big for us.
My honor. Thank you very much. I'm honored.
तो मैं ये कह रहा था, even with you, मैं actually podcast सुनता हूँ, जो रोगन का podcast regularly सुनता हूँ, and then I was looking for podcast based in India, and मुझे यार यहाँ पे जितने भी podcast 2-4 मुझे मिले हैं, वो सारे English में हैं, and I'm like, this does not feel desi at all, right?
More than English, I think it's very intellectual. बहुत ज़्यादा
कोशिश कर रहे हैं. They're trying to sound intellectual.
You know, there's this, I don't know if you heard this podcast by Amit Verma. It's called The Seen and the Unseen.
No, I haven't.
वहाँ पर हर कोई आके इतना intellectual fart करता है. But I'm the only one who went there, and mine was the least intellectual episode. I'm wondering.
Well, it's good कि सिर्फ audio है ना, because intellectual farts फिर हमें सुनना तो है नहीं.
और देखना भी नहीं कैसे करते हो. That's not the point. The point is that podcasts need to be fun, and a lot of fun. And I don't know. Well, outside of the country, तो बहुत, मतलब जो देसी नहीं है podcast जो एकदम, they are very fun. They are a lot of fun, and but we don't believe in having fun, I think.
नहीं तो we are having fun, Vivek, because
very good. That's very good. Sorry, मैंने कोई भी episode सुना नहीं है, but I will.
Now, okay, we'll edit this out. Can you lie for us, saying that, you know, guys, I've heard your podcast. They're amazing.
No, but tell me what is the content, so then at least I can lie convincingly.
हमें भी नहीं मालूम है.
See, I'll tell you what the content is. The content is that this part is going to go on podcast.
चलो डन देन बढ़िया.
By the way, we're recording. In case तुम्हें नहीं मालूम है, we're recording.
तो हाँ ठीक है, तो let it record करो, ठीक है. You can always edit.
So Vivek bhai, I had a very important question to ask you. Have you read this book
हाँ,
called The 5 a.m. Club?
The 5 a.m. Club. No, what is that?
Exactly. That's why you're still reading 300 books a year.
But वो है क्या? I don't even know this book. Should I Google it?
Yeah, I can Google it. You will get you will understand the book in one review.
Oh, Robin Sharma. Oh,
Yeah,
that's right.
Well, I started reading that book and I've stopped reading for life now.
Own your morning, elevate your life. ये क्या बात है? And that book is worth 1.5. That book is worth 1.5 million books worldwide.
Yes,
wow.
And it also has 1.5 million reviews saying don't read this book.
Then फिर कैसे पढ़ रहे हैं लोग और क्यों खरीद क्यों रहे हैं?
रॉबिन शर्मा तो बड़ा आदमी है, क्या बोलेंगे?
Like there's this guy on Amazon who goes 10% stuff, 90% fluff. He's given it 1 star rating, and he goes on and on and on saying ये कैसी किताब है. Then one person goes क्या? Instead go for Morning Miracle by someone else. A waste of money. He's talking about this book. ठीक है, मतलब I'm sure it has transformed कुछ लोगों की जिंदगियों को transform किया है, तो very good.
हाँ, it definitely transformed. People have stopped reading after reading that book.
वही कह रहा था मैं.
Do you read, Gibran? Do you read? No,
I read. I do read. I don't read fiction, but yes, non-fiction
nice.
I read quite often.
Good.
I mean, couple of years I stopped reading, and then this lockdown I started reading again. So the first book I picked up was The 5 a.m. Club, and I'm still recovering from that. So.
And you also based out of Jeddah?
No, I'm in Hyderabad. I was in Jeddah till 98, 99.
Nice.
So after that we moved back to India. So I'm in Hyderabad.
I was in Hyderabad for some time.
Oh, you were?
Sorry. Go on. Yeah. Sorry, go on. You were saying something.
No, it's fine. Where in Hyderabad? When were you in Hyderabad?
I used to stay in Secunderabad actually, Gundrock Enclave में, Sikh Village करके जगह है.
हाँ, Sikh Village. Yeah.
And I used to work at Cyber Gateway when G Capital had initially opened, 2001, 2002.
Oh wow! So 2000 or 2000 में तो Sikh Village was the hotspot for the entire of Hyderabad.
Yeah, so I used to live there in Secunderabad, and then the office moved to Uppal. And I remember Hyderabad very fondly. I love the Twin Cities.
So,
बहुत सारी memories. Yeah, it's a great city. I don't know how it is now, but that time though it was very different.
Vivek, it's probably the same.
No,
हैदराबाद में कुछ नहीं बदलता है.
नहीं यार, बहुत बदल चुका होगा फारूक.
जिब्रान वैसे का वैसे ही है.
The places I used to love, I'm sure they don't exist anymore.
I only knew about Necklace Road. In fact, oh, you're here. In fact, in 2004, I visited Hyderabad क्योंकि हैदराबाद में मेरे almost 15-20 दोस्त from Jeddah they had moved back to Hyderabad. One of them was Gibran. तो मैं 10 दिन था हैदराबाद में, and Gibran was my host along with Zoha. Sufi,
so
her episode.
Farooq is not the best person to hear about Hyderabad because he has had some really bad experiences with.
Really, but Hyderabad is bloody fantastic according to me. I love that city.
देखें?
I think it is so.
ये तो मैं बेचारे की टांग खींच रहा होता हूँ ना.
Where are you now? Where are you located now?
Bombay.
Oh, Bombay. I was in Bombay for 5 years.
Oh, nice. Kahan?
2010 at Andheri. I was there to pursue my filmmaking. So of course I was in Andheri West.
Of course. Like all the Lokhandwala boys are.
Yeah. So not Lokhandwala because I was still struggling. So I was near Lokhandwala. I was on Meera Desai Road.
भाई ने बिरयानी भी बेची है बॉम्बे में.
Yeah, we had a small takeaway center called Hyderabad Express in Andheri.
Very nice.
Yeah.
तो शायद खाया होगा कभी, अब तो याद नहीं है मुझे.
मैंने तो खाया.
Of course तुमने खाया
फ्री में.
बिल्कुल तुम थोड़ी पे करोगे उसके लिए. But हाँ, Hyderabad brings back a lot of good memories. So that's.
I remember Necklace Road.
I remember Parmeshwari Maheshwari theaters and Abbots. Not Abbots. Abbots से थोड़ा आगे. The Abbott Sunday Market which was just brilliant for books. इतनी प्यारी जगह है वो, पता नहीं अब है कि नहीं,
अभी भी है, थोड़ा बहुत है.
हाँ, but बिल्कुल you used to get such great books at that Sunday market. It's unbelievable. I used to look forward to Sundays just to go there, and it was far away from where I used to stay. And Hyderabad doesn't have a great public transport system anyway. You only have to depend on rickshaws. That time, तब तो Uber वाला भी नहीं था.
अब तो खैर metro भी आ गया.
हाँ, so but it was very nice. Then I remember there used to be this place called Nine King in Secunderabad.
Oh wow, that was legendary, yeah.
Yeah, and Manju Theatre के थोड़ा ही करीब था शायद वहाँ पर. And Manju Theatre के बाहर there used to be this mirchi bhajia वाला place that I used to love.
It's so, all that you're describing now. It brings back memories of when we were in college.
I just love the food of Hyderabad.
Hyderabad food is
like weird. It was just, there was this place called Blue Fox, again Chinese. Right. I think it's Somaji Guda or no,
Somaji Guda.
Himayat Nagar.
Himayat Nagar में भी Somaji Guda पे भी Amir Pet पे भी.
So I used to go to the Himayat Nagar one. So
okay. Okay.
That's how I remember. And of course the first shawarma that came to Hyderabad was a Shopper Stop at Begumpet.
Yes.
अरे तो अजीजिया भी है ना जिब्रान?
The first one was over there, yeah. So and then old Hyderabad में famous की ice cream after eating halim and eat के वक्त, so just lovely, बिल्कुल मतलब
सब खाना खाओ तुम
How long has it been since you've been to Hyderabad now?
It's been about 15 years now.
Wow, so Hyderabad's changed a lot.
Yeah, sure. That's why
people are the same.
बहुत बदल गया.
No, people are the same. अभी भी 11 बजे सुबह होती है, ऐसा नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
मगर
I love the language. I love the local language.
हाँ.
Like मैंने
दक्कनी accent.
कितना जो वहाँ का, हाँ बिल्कुल नहीं, वो एकदम हैदराबादी accent. नको होना ये सब.
अब आप थोड़ी देर रहेंगे ना यहाँ पॉडकास्ट पे, आपको थोड़ा बहुत सुनने को मिल जाएगा मेरे से.
चढ़ा दे रहे हैं.
करो बात करो ऐसे.
ये क्या कहते हैं जिब्रान, मैं तुम्हें बता दूं और हमारे जो सुन रहे हैं उनको बता दूं कि विवेक ने जो है लास्ट ईयर एक बुक पब्लिश की है. इट्स अ मेमोir. It's called So Now You Know. Unfortunately मैंने अभी तक बुक नहीं पढ़ी.
It's okay. I think you're equal now. He has not listened to our podcast. You have not read his book. I think it's all cool.
बहुत balance है. अरे बहुत अच्छा balance है. And it's very good.
So मुझे
सुमैया ने भी नहीं पढ़ी है.
सुमैया ने भी नहीं पढ़ी.
नहीं.
अच्छा
वो तो दिल्ली में है तो.
मैं ये बता दूं कि जब पब्लिश बुक नहीं हुई थी उसके पहले ही विवेक ने मुझे एक दिन इंस्टाग्राम पे या व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज किया कि यार ये 2 कवर्स हैं, बताओ कौन सा वाला कवर जो है वो मैं इस बुक पे डालूं. एंड आई गेस हम दोनों ने उस टाइम येलो ही बोला. क्या कहते हैं, श्रीदेवी इज ऑन द कवर बाय द वे. तो या सो एनीवे, सो विवेक कुछ बताओ यार अपने बुक के बारे में एंड pique our interest in the book.
What is my book about? My book is about growing up gay in India in the 90s.
Wow.
So which is very different time at that time compared to today.
Yeah.
And how वहाँ पर तब तो बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं था, apps नहीं, smartphones नहीं. So it's very difficult to meet people when you reach teenage years and the latter teenage years when you जब मिलना होता था लोगों से या मिलने की चाह होती थी, अब तो वो भी नहीं है. मतलब with experience you just know that men are useless, so you don't want to meet anyone.
मतलब the true social distancing इसे कहते हैं.
नहीं मतलब can you see there are times when just I'm telling you, I think it's across the board and no offense meant, but I genuinely believe that it takes a lot for men to A, be intelligent, B, to converse, B, to not only think about sex all the time. So I think बहुत effort है.
I think got the order wrong. A is not to think about sex all the time. Farrukh, don't let your mother listen to this one, okay?
ये वाला तो गया.
No, my mom is she's given up anyway, so that's not a point. But my point is that ऐसे मतलब how do you then think of meeting anyone, and why would you want to meet anyone is my question.
True.
Right.
Now I understand what women feel like when they don't want to meet like straight women or cis-het women, when they say that they don't want to meet women. I'm like, yeah, I got you, sister. I understand you completely. But the book is not about that. The book is about just growing up gay with role models and lack of role models and icons and how it was a different world altogether.
Yeah.
Right.
90s was
and
difficult.
identity and struggling with a lot of things. But yeah, so that was it.
Okay.
So yeah.
And is there a sequel or continuing?
There is a second book out
Uh-huh.
this November
Okay.
about 20 books and 20 men in my life.
Oh wow.
And,
Okay.
And how
So 20 short stories you mean?
No. 20 not short stories. It's again non-fiction.
Okay.
About 20 men in my life and 20 books. And the men could be lovers, could be friends, but they're all men. And family and so on and so forth, and how books have been attached to them or related to them.
Mm-hmm. So since they are men, मैं और जबरान तो नहीं है उसमें, वो तो confirmed है.
नहीं मतलब
we're kids. we're still kids.
नहीं बात कर.
वही तुम तो मतलब ना दिल से तो हमेशा 5K ही रहोगे लगता है मुझे. But that is okay. Whatever suits you.
तो एक तो विवेक भाई एक वन थिंग दैट वी वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि अब आप ये जो बुक तो आपने लिख ली, अब ये जो 300 बुक्स आप पढ़ते हो every year, is it because of the same things you say in your book कि there are no intelligent men and there's no conversations happening?
No. That to happen with it happens with friends, but not with a prospective person that I want to date or perhaps could fall in love with or whatever. Vice versa. Maybe वो भी यही सोचते होंगे मेरे बारे में कि इतना बोरिंग है, खाली किताब पढ़ता है. You never know. मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. मैं क्यों खाली जज कर रहा हूँ, वो भी जज कर रहे. उनका भी हक है जज करना. मतलब why should I be the only one judging? But no, I think reading is very instinctive. It comes out of just second skin. Right. It's got nothing to do with the men or women or anyone in my life.
Right.
I think that was just something that my mother started me with. और
nice.
जब mom ने start किया तो continue हुआ बस वहाँ से और कुछ नहीं.
So the way
either you can read or you can't read. It's as simple as that.
No, so if someone who can't read but wants to start reading, so what book would you suggest that they start off with?
I am not suggesting any book to anyone.
Is it because you don't remember the titles?
No.
You've read so much. You don't remember titles anymore.
Look up the internet is what I'm saying.
नहीं विवेक do the smart thing and बोलो यार मेरी book सबसे पहले तो मेरी book
बिल्कुल I think I agree with you. सबसे पहले मेरी book पढ़ो. बहुत easy है, very easy to read, बहुत readable है.
और 90s की है तो इतना मोबाइल वगैरह इंटरनेट की भी बात नहीं है उसमें, बस लाइफ के बारे में बात हुई.
तुम्हें क्या पता, तुमने तो पढ़ी भी नहीं.
नहीं
And it's a short book. At that, it's 150 pages, less than 150 pages.
Okay, so a weekend read basically.
Nice.
About 146 pages, so people get in very short chapters. There are about 24 chapters, and they're very short, like 3 पन्नों की एक chapter. So I think it's very easy.
So it's available on Amazon and Flipkart and
yeah, everywhere.
Excellent.
Physical bookstores.
So once again, to our
physical bookstores stock them.
The book is called "So Now You Know" by Vivek Tejuja. Is it Tejuja or is it Teua? Is it like a foreign?
Teua would have been very exotic. I think that would have gotten me more men. But Tejuja.
Jalapeno and jalapeno वाली बात हो गई.
Tejuja is very, very exotic. I would have preferred that. But sadly, no. It is Tejuja.
Sadly,
again, most people don't get that. Every time it gets botched up everywhere. No matter how many times people say it.
So basically, te nahi hua.
It is Tetuja, Tatuja, Tanuja, Taluja. I have heard every variation of my name.
But a memorable name, yeah?
I think so. I would assume.
I hope so.
That's also a big problem, na? When it's memorable. Tinder पे किसी को unmatch कर दो, तो तुम्हारा नाम पहले किताब तो है, तो वो जाके ढूंढ ही लेगा तुमने, और फिर Instagram पे मैसेज कर देगा भाई कि तुमने मुझे unmatch क्यों किया Tinder से. So there's no escaping that.
Yeah.
Memorable name के भी अपने बड़े फायदे नहीं होते हैं.
So
yet
again, once again, So Now You Know is the book by Vivek Tejuja. Now एक very important and very ताजा कल की ताजा खबर जिसके ऊपर विवेक का मेरे को input is very, very important. So basically, the CBSE board has now reduced the syllabus by 30%. Now I will not get into sciences and maths because that is not sensational enough. But social sciences, they have removed topics from the syllabus, such as federalism, secularism, nationalism, local government, demonetization, GST, citizenship, food security, gender, religion, caste from the syllabus.
सारे इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स गए वही तो सारे इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स निकल गए
नहीं तो I want to understand तो now this is sensational. Now there has been a rebuttal from the BJP saying कि नहीं, we have also reduced absorption from biology, digestion system from biology, and Newton's law from physics, but we are not interested in that because that's not sensational enough. This, on the other hand, Vivek, wanting to understand from you, why such do you think there is an agenda of removing these particular topics from the syllabus?
Sure, I think there's an agenda anyway of the BJP to drown out voices, whether it's a minority religion, it's a minority gender preference or sexual orientation, whether it is women. So I think across the board, now that you mentioned all these topics, it's always been that agenda since 2013, no? Since they came to power 2014. जब भी आए पता नहीं लगता है it's been 2 lifetimes already since they are in power.
Yeah.
But उनका तो है ही है ना, CAA, NRC, what was all of that? And they're still at it. They're still at it. Like today only, I'm sorry, I forget that guy's name. I haven't tweeted and posted about it. I'm just
Vikas Dubey?
नहीं.
विवेक तेजुजा?
हाँ नहीं, शर्जील उस्मानी को जो अरेस्ट किया गया,
शर्जील
उस्मानी को जो अरेस्ट किया गया, that was not needed, and that's not even an arrest. I don't know what it is. They just went into his house and they just picked him up because he was a key player in the CAA NRC protest.
Yeah.
So who will speak for themselves if they are going to behave like this? Nobody can speak for themselves at all. So I'm sure there's an agenda, and this agenda is not restricted only to a school syllabus. That's a sad and very, very scary part, that it extends itself beyond that. So I can talk about till the cows come home, but the bottom line is I'm glad that there's internet. And if people are smart enough and kids are smart enough, which I hope they are, they will look it up and they will know about it anyway. All this whitewashing business और पेपर में खाली वही न्यूज़ छपेगा जो गवर्नमेंट चाहेगी, तो तुम चाइना से बिल्कुल दूर नहीं हो इन सब चीजों में. और
अब तो चाइना और भी करीब आ गया.
हाँ बिल्कुल. And you'll become a state where you are only going to be filtering down to people what you want them to consume in the name of news.
Right.
So which I think it's a very foreseeable future वैसे तो. और मुझे लगता है कि people are smarter than that. अब तो स्मार्ट हो ही गए कोरोना की वजह से. दिख रही है ना गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है, क्या नहीं कर रही है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब it's all there for all to see.
Yeah, so but is that true? Sorry विवेक मैं काट दूं, क्योंकि if you remember 2-3 साल पहले जब डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ था, उस टाइम पे भी मैं ये बोल रहा था यार अब तो उन लोगों को समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि ये क्या इनके
I hope समझ गए होंगे. I hope.
Because at that time I was like यार लंबी किलोमीटर्स की लाइन लगवा दी लोगों के अपने पैसे कलेक्ट करने के लिए, but उसके बावजूद they won again.
बस समझ तो यही है ना कि हम भी तो बहुत ही privileged lot हैं जिनको इंटरनेट एक्सेस है, ट्विटर पर है जो बोलते हैं कि ट्विटर ज्ञान तो सबको है, but it's a very different reality out on the road ना, कि जो मतलब जिसे कुछ भी मिल जाए ये गवर्नमेंट में, चाहे पैसे हो, even the fact that they got to go back home during the lockdown, they will still sing BJP's praises. उन्हें लगेगा कि बीजेपी ने बहुत बड़ा काम कर दिया, हमें घर पहुंचा दिया. So I think that also is a mindset that will play for the next elections.
Sure. Yeah.
It is a smart party. It is a smart party. It's a strong leadership.
Oh yes.
And they have no fear of any repercussion whatsoever, and that is what makes me a little scared of this government. Because repercussion की कोई ना परवाह है, not they scared about it. मगर ये जो
opposition वैसे ही है ना, opposition भी तो वैसे ही है ना जबरान.
But opposition की बात ही नहीं है ना फारूक. It's about the people. The people didn't put the opposition in power. The people have put, sadly, the BJP in power. And if they don't realize it by 2023 or 2024, when the next elections happen, then we are the biggest fools ever.
So even if you, I mean, again, I'll read out the topics again, Vivek and Farokh. If I mean, just look at the syllabus they've deleted. It's on federalism, right? They've deleted syllabus on secularism, on nationalism, demonetization and GST. जब तक पढ़ाया जा रहा था स्कूल में वो भी नहीं पढ़ाया जाएगा. So they are somewhere covering up for their mistakes as well. Local governance has been deleted from the syllabus. Citizenship has been deleted. Democratic rights have been deleted. Food security has been deleted. Gender, religion, caste. So the thing is, it looks so systematic the way they're approaching all of this. And this, I honestly, Vivek, I'll tell you something. I mean, say what? I mean, hats off to BJP. I mean, उन लोग का जो
they are a very smart government. I agree with
amazing,
you.
Amazing.
वो तो उल्लू है ही नहीं. They know exactly what they are doing, and they like. अगर कोरोना नहीं होता था, I don't think, and I'm saying this on record, the Corona has actually saved a lot of Muslim lives in the country. Sadly, it's unfortunate that I have to say this, but it's a fact.
चीजें रुक
गई, प्रोटेस्ट रुक गए, शाहीन बाग रुक गया, कितने सारे शाहीन बाग रुक गए. मतलब it helped the cause of BJP, and BJP came out looking like a hero at the end of it.
Right.
Modi came on air a couple of days ago. I don't know for what his on some Mann Ki Baat 4,000th edition.
Oh, by the way,
he's talking.
Now that you bring it up, Farokh, I was just researching which is the best podcast in India. You know which one is it? Mann Ki Baat.
I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised at all. So he came and he's talking about, he's giving hope to people, saying कि इतने सारे festivals आ रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, और पूरे time that he was naming festivals, mind you, Amir and Farokh, he didn't name a single Muslim festival.
Yeah.
And that shows, and that sends a message very strongly to the people who follow him and the ministers in his cabinet and everyone that what your supreme leader thinks.
Yeah.
And that is very, very scary.
It is.
I mean, we are living in times, पहले तो corona, फिर ऊपर से CA NRC protests आ जाएंगे वापस. I'm sure when things start getting better, the protests will also be there in small numbers on the roads, but you'll see it.
Yeah.
But it's just very sad because today nobody's talking about CA NRC.
यार वही होता भी है ना, वही होता भी है ना.
Public memory बहुत short-lived होती है ना.
Yeah, even Black Lives Matter जिस तरह ले लो. I remember पहला हफ्ता तो ऐसा लग रहा था जब तक ये सॉल्व हो नहीं जाएगा तब तक ये बात चलते रहेगी. But a week later, 2 weeks later, you're like ठीक है. Again, it's you know it's slowly going away, and right now who's talking about it? Because एक momentum होता है, right? तो वो momentum lose हो गया. अब let's hope first तो ये कि कोरोना खत्म हो जाए भाई, क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से चल रहा है, I don't think 2021 में भी कुछ होने वाला है.
तो जिस हिसाब से चल रहा है फर्रुख, कल की ताजा खबर ये भी है कि MIT वालों ने एक रिसर्च किया. Okay.
Oh, yes.
This research was based on the data they collected from 84 countries, and in the absence of a vaccine or proper medication or preventive measures, India will be seeing 2.87 lakh cases a day by December 2021. I'm not saying 2020.
मुझे पता नहीं. I don't trust MIT also, to be very honest. Because somebody said something और वो नहीं हुआ. पता नहीं यार, मतलब क्या. And also उनके projections या जो भी हैं वो काफी थोड़े हमसे थोड़े far out होते हैं because they really don't know India as a country.
नहीं, काफी asterisks थे वैसे उनकी रिपोर्ट में.
नहीं conditions भी तो conditions भी क्या conditions है बताओ. एक तो vaccine नहीं, दूसरा और क्या?
Medicine नहीं, prevention नहीं, और फिर बहुत सारे. As I said, that's not sensationalism enough for me to bring it up. Sensational क्या है?
But you brought it up.
3 lakh cases होंगे.
But it's very funny, you know, कि they are talking about this. But you know, it's but the good things are also happening. Like our recovery rate is decent.
Yes.
It's not bad at all.
Yes.
Like today, Bombay's recovery rate alone is 67%. Hyderabad का और ज़्यादा हो.
हैदराबाद में टेस्ट भी नहीं हो रही है सर.
तो है ही नहीं फिर कोरोना.
हैदराबाद में रुके हुए हैं. पहले 3 महीने केसीआर हमारे जो चीफ मिनिस्टर थे वो रुके हुए थे कि भाई रहने दो, रिपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, सबसे जबरदस्त, आई डोंट नो तुम लोगों ने सुना कि नहीं, जायर बोल्सोनारो जो है
Yeah, he got COVID,
प्राइम,
right?
he was the one who was making fun of the whole thing, remember? मेरे भाई ये क्या है? ये क्या है?
So this
मरते
is
हैं
karma,
लोग,
no?
मरते हैं,
It just got back to him.
exactly
And
karma हो
how?
गया, या एंड उसको कोविड-19 भाई पॉजिटिव हो गया, बट
अरे
लेट्स
तो
होप
उसका क्या,
कि he
वो तो
recovers,
बहुत जल्दी
let's
ठीक
hope
हो
he
जाएगा।
recovers।
ये वर्ल्ड लीडर्स को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हो भी गया तो वो बोरिस को भी हुआ था, हो गया ना ठीक। हाँ, खाली एक मोदी को ही नहीं हो रहा है, तुम एडिट कर देना।
नहीं देखिए,
मत करो एडिट।
क्या कहते हैं, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि अगर खुदा ना खास्ता होता भी है तो आई एम श्योर इंशाल्लाह वो 2-4 घंटे में ठीक हो जाएंगे, एंड देन इट विल बी प्रूवन कि हमारा सुप्रीम लीडर जो है कितना स्ट्रांग है। 2 घंटे में फिक्स कर दिया मोदी जी।
there was a भारत बायोटेक जिन्होंने कहा कि 15th अगस्त को वैक्सीन निकलेगा उनके यहाँ से।
Okay.
15th अगस्त बिकॉज़ इंडिपेंडेंस खाली इंडिया को नहीं मिलेगी ना, पूरे वर्ल्ड को इंडिया देगी इंडिपेंडेंस कोरोना से। So I won't be surprised if they do that and then they say after 5 days की गलत है। क्योंकि हम तो नासा से भी देखते हैं ना दिवाली के टाइम कितना इंडिया लिट अप होता है, और ये तो ये भी हो सकता है। तो I don't put anything past this government that way. तो ठीक ही है, but at least people are stepping out. I think I see more activity on the roads and the streets, and you can't stop living whether we like it or not.
यार देखो, पहले फर्स्ट 2-3 वीक्स 4 वीक्स आई वाज ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि हाँ यार घर पे रहो 100% ऑफ द टाइम, डेफिनेटली घर पे रहो। देन आई सॉ एक हफ्ते वो ये कह रहे हैं WHO वाले मास्क लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर 2 हफ्ते के बाद बोल रहे हैं मास्क लगाओ। अपेरेंटली जिब्रान, आई डोंट नो इफ यू सॉ दिस न्यूज और नॉट, वो इसलिए कर रहे थे क्योंकि मास्क की कमी थी, सो दे वेंट अहेड विद अ फॉल्स नैरेटिव जस्ट ताकि जो है ना लोग खरीदे नहीं या अपने पास मास्क रखे नहीं। तो सी इट इज समथिंग दैट हैपेंड। कोई भी ये नहीं बोलने वाला था वो कैसे तुमने ये नहीं सोचा कि ऐसा वायरस आ जाएगा। भाई एवरीवन इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एवरीवन नोज कि भाई देयर आर लिमिटेशंस टू थिंग्स, बट उसके बाद से मैंने बोला यार हम किस पे भरोसा करें जब तक घर पे रह सकते हैं।
टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, खुद पे भरोसा करो और निकलो बाहर।
मैं तो ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूँ, मैं अपने आप पे भी भरोसा नहीं कर पाता क्योंकि मेरा मास्क यहाँ लगा होता है, थोड़ी देर में जो है ना थोड़ा नाक से नीचे हो जाता है, फिर उसके बाद मुझे नाक खुजली होगी तो मैं खुजली भी करता हूँ। क्या कब तक बचाओगे यार?
खुजली तो मास्क पहनो तो ही आएगी ना तुम्हें खुजली। तुम्हारा मेंटालिटी भी ऐसी है ना, जब मास्क नहीं तो कोई नहीं खुजाता अपनी नाक को, लेकिन जो जैसे मास्क पहन लिया तो सबको खुजाना है, नाक
खुजाना है।
So Vivek, how are things in Bombay? I mean, it's a hotspot. Vivek, Bombay.
You know, things are very. No, actually Bombay is not a hotspot anymore.
Okay, that's nice to know.
It is. I think so. Because today I live very close to the Western Express Highway, and today was the first day in 4 months where I've seen traffic like it used to be 4 months ago, like bumper to bumper.
Wow.
I don't know if it's nice or not, but it is bumper to bumper.
Okay.
And cases होंगे. See, you have to face it. You cannot tell people to sit at home.
Yeah.
I think अभी हो गया वो टाइम जब तुम कर रहे थे लॉकडाउन, लोगों को बोले थे घर पे बैठो, वो टाइम निकल गया। तब तुमने तो कुछ किया नहीं, तब तुमने कुछ सुविधा या कुछ फैसिलिटी तुमने कुछ नहीं सोचा। Then you missed the bus over there. You let us be now. हम ऊपर वाले के हवाले, and let us be now.
नहीं, कौन से ऊपर वाले के is the question, no?
कौन से ऊपर जिसमें कुछ हिम्मत है, जिसमें हम विश्वास रख सकते हैं।
क्योंकि वही पॉइंट पे तो पूरे लड़ाई झगड़े हो रहे हैं इंडिया में
कि ऊपर वाले कौन है,
कौन से वाले ऊपर वाले।
इसलिए मैंने कहा ऊपर वाला, मैंने कहा कुछ और। मैंने किसी को स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया।
अच्छा, by the way, before I think we are running out of time, but before we wrap up, there's one more taza khabar that I wanted to share with you. Zoom is now being made in India. It is called JioMeet.
Yes.
So basically, they have copied the entire UI UX of Zoom, and they have created.
And every first 30 seconds, there will be Mukesh Ambani staring at you, wanting to talk to you. And then you'll be like, get away, skip ads.
But it's not an ad.
उससे याद आया, ऊपर वाले तो मुकेश ही है ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल,
सबसे लंबी बिल्डिंग तो उन्हीं की है।
करेक्ट।
गार्डन से देख रहे होते नीचे क्या हो रहा है।
नहीं, वो गार्डन से ऊपर देखेंगे ना कौन सा प्लैनेट है सबसे क्लोज उनके बगल में जो है।
Zoom is now taking legal action against Jio for just copying pasting their
Very
entire
good,
thing.
very good. They deserve it.
Yeah.
Zoom को इंग्लिश में क्या, हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे
घुसो
जिब्रान?
Zoom बराबर Zoom.
जियो और घुसो। जियो और घुसो ऐप डाउनलोड करें।
Anyways,
घुसो मीटिंग में।
Vivek, it was great having you, and what I think
Same,
is that we will inshallah have you again on a podcast of a couple of episodes, because there are some serious discussions that also should happen, and I think it is great to have a
I'm always up for saying anything that is against whatever and whoever. So that's not a problem.
My thing is very simple, Vivek. So what happens with us is, with me and Farooq also, I don't know, it's because people think that we are Muslims and that's why we're against BJP, and I have to keep telling them, no, I'm not against BJP.
No,
I'm anti-establishment.
It's not that.
I am anti-establishment.
Correct.
I mean, any government, I should always be behind their lives to make sure that they're doing the right thing, not be it Congress or TRS or BJP, anything.
Of course.
So, but
बिल्कुल
already typecast हो गया, so can't really help it.
देखो राइट लेफ्ट का नैरेटिव तो हो ही गया ना।
पर यही तो है ना कि विकास जो बोल रहे हैं, विकास वो भी तो नहीं हो रहा। थोड़ा डेवलपमेंट करते तो एटलीस्ट वी कुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट अस एज अ कलेक्टिव नेशन, एज अ पीपल, बट यू आर नॉट इवन डूइंग दैट। सो हाउ डू वी, वेयर डू वी प्लेस आवर ट्रस्ट? द बॉटम लाइन इज जस्ट दैट।
तो ट्रस्ट यू, I'll tell you कैसे वो ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करते हैं। जिब्रान पहले ही हंस रहा है, मुझे मालूम है।
बोलो
नहीं वो डिपेंड करता है बालकनी में कितनी थालियां बज रही हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल, दिए जल रहे हैं पता नहीं। कोरोना तो तब भी है मोदी जी, और इतना ही है कि अभी भागने का नाम नहीं ले रहा, तो तुम बजाते जाओ ताली और घंटी, कुछ नहीं होने वाला।
वो किसने
Farooq, we'll wrap up now then. So if you can just give a shout out to Vivek, just let people know his Twitter, Instagram handles that people can follow.
Yeah. Vivek, you want to do the honors that I've been
permitted to?
ये पास में बटन चल रहा है, ये मैं बता रहा हूँ।
लेकिन मैं तो बोल नहीं सकता ना कि follow me, मैं तो
exactly.
अरे how can you expect to say
exactly? What's wrong with you, Farooq?
देखो यही गलती हो गई। मैंने बोला था पहले, थोड़ी देर पहले, कि कौन सी बुक सबसे पहले पढ़नी, अपनी बुक। हाँ भाई, मेरी बुक पढ़ो, वही वाली बात है। सेल्फ प्रमोशन। आई बिलीव ऐसे ही थोड़ी मैं 60,000 पे पहुंच गया इंस्टाग्राम पे, जहां मौका मिला। भाई मुझे फॉलो कैसे नहीं किया तुमने? बट ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, विवेकिज्म्स ऑन ट्विटर, ब्लू टिक है भाई। बाय द वे जिब्रान, आपको मालूम है माशाल्लाह भाई का ब्लू टिक है?
या ऑफ कोर्स, आपका भी है ना ब्लू टिक, लेटर्स में लिखा हुआ।
हाँ, मैंने ब्रैकेट में डाल दिया।
फारूक का ब्लू टिक मुझसे पहले है।
It's Vivekisms, VIVEKISMS.
ISMS.
On
Vivek
Twitter
ISMS.
and Instagram, both, right? Twitter and Instagram both.
Thank you. Yeah,
and yeah. And इसके अलावा anything else you want to plug in, Vivek? Anything you want?
No, nothing. Listeners to
nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
We are expecting a shout out on your Twitter page also for Kal Ki Taza.
Yes, of course, I will. Instagram पे क्यों नहीं, क्योंकि कम followers है, तो Twitter पे तो कर ही दूंगा। जब एपिसोड आ जाएगा उससे पहले भी। I had so much fun recording this podcast.
We were planning for 15 to 20 minutes, and I think पता नहीं 40
minutes हो गए. 40 minutes. Interesting.
Perfect. Which means that we did a good job.
And, we'll get Vivek back again.
All of us were having fun. So I think we were having great fun. So thank you.
I think that's our main objective. कि मजा आना चाहिए यार. Structure हो नहीं हो. Main चीज है कि मजा आए. तो जिब्रान 3 एपिसोड से खांस रहा है. मुझे उसको थोड़ा
टेस्ट करवा लो अपना. तुम टेस्ट करवा लो.
ओवेसी को कॉल करना होगा. वो करवा रहे हैं.
But ओवेसी ने क्या तो 360 180 degree turn मारा. I can't tell you that when CA and RC was happening, I never thought I'll say I like OAC. I never thought I would say that. But when that entire thing was happening with protests and the way he was behaving so logically, that man, and I never thought I'll say logic and OAC in the same sentence again. But मुझे तो उसे चौंका दिया बिल्कुल. I was like, कहाँ से भाई? Take care. Inshallah we'll do this again.
Yeah, for sure. Vivek, it was great having you.
Yeah, same here, guys. Same here.
Okay, and guys, Farrukh Naseem, you know where to follow him. He's the guy with the book, the G with the B, on Twitter and Instagram. And as I said before, my name is Ahmed Gibran. You can find me following Farrukh Naseem and Vivek also now in a short while.
That's good.
So please subscribe, read your comments.
Guys.
Right. Thank you so much.
Subscribe
Vivek.
to the podcast, guys. Subscribe to the podcast. It's on iTunes, Spotify. Yeah.
And Vivek, anytime you come to Hyderabad,
on Play Store also.
Vivek, anytime you come to Hyderabad,
I'll definitely let you know for sure.
Yeah, you'll have a place to sit. You'll have someone to take you around.
Hyderabad.
All right. See you. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Take care, guys. Bye. See you.
Bye.